Hello, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about working and moving abroad. Also, if you find this video valuable, please hit the like button. It really helps YouTube recommend this video to more people who need it. And if this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments. I would love to personally welcome you. Are you looking for a European country where you can work legally, in English, and possibly without even needing a work permit for certain roles? Then this is the video for you, because the Netherlands has officially announced a massive shortage of foreign workers, and they're urgently looking for international talent to fill over 195 different professions. And here's the best part, some of these jobs do not require a work permit at all, especially for applicants in certain industries or categories. So stay with me till the end because I'll also share a huge announcement in the second half of this video that you don't want to miss. According to the EURES report published by the European Labour Authority, the Netherlands is currently experiencing labour shortages across more than 195 roles. This includes jobs in construction, logistics, healthcare, ICT, hospitality, and many more. And right now, there are almost 70,000 jobs listed on the government's official employment portal, many of them open to foreign applicants. Why the Netherlands? Over 93% of the population speaks English, so communication won't be a problem. The country offers one of the most flexible immigration systems in Europe for skilled workers. And the salaries and working conditions are quite attractive, even for entry-level roles. What type of jobs are available? Let me give you a few examples. Construction and skilled trades, welders, plumbers, carpenters. Healthcare workers. Nurses, elderly care assistants, lab technicians. ICT and tech roles, software developers, network administrators. Logistics and transport, drivers, forklift operators, warehouse workers. Hospitality and food services, chefs, kitchen assistants, waiters. And the list goes on and on. You'll find the full breakdown in the EURES shortage report, which I've linked in the video description. Work permit exemptions. Now, let's talk about how it's possible to work without a permit in some roles. The Netherlands offers permit exemptions for highly skilled migrants, like tech professionals and engineers. Intracompany transfers. Scientific researchers and academic staff. Artists and performers. Certain short-term seasonal roles. If your employer is registered and your role fits one of these categories, you can legally work without a traditional Dutch work permit. So yes, it's completely legal, as long as you follow the proper process. Now, here's the important part. How to find these jobs and apply. I've listed the best job websites and government portals in the video description below, but here's a quick preview. 1. EURES Job Portal, this is the official European employment service. 2. Work.nl, the Dutch government's official job website. 3. Welcome to NL, a platform created to attract international workers. Make sure you filter by English language jobs or add visa sponsorship or permit exempt as keywords. All the links are in the description for your convenience, just click and start searching. Tips for applicants. Use a professional, Dutch-style CV, short and straight to the point. Highlight your English proficiency, you don't need Dutch for most jobs. Use LinkedIn to connect with Dutch recruiters. Apply for jobs that are clearly marked as shortage occupations to increase your chances. Now, here's the special announcement I mentioned earlier. The Netherlands is not only experiencing a major shortage of skilled foreign workers. They've also rolled out new incentives to make your relocation journey smoother and more affordable. Provinces like North Holland, Amsterdam, South Holland, Rotterdam and The Hague, and North Brabant, Eindhoven, are leading the way. In these regions, employers are now offering relocation packages, housing assistance, and onboarding support to help international applicants settle in with ease. Whether you're in IT, healthcare, logistics, construction, or engineering, opportunities are wide open. For example, In Eindhoven and Amsterdam, tech companies are actively hiring software developers and IT specialists, often with relocation support included. In cities like Rotterdam and The Hague, hospitals and healthcare facilities are recruiting foreign nurses and medical professionals, and some even offer housing assistance as part of your contract. These support systems make the Netherlands a top destination for skilled professionals who want to build a career in a welcoming and well-structured environment. So if you've been dreaming of relocating to the Netherlands, this is your window of opportunity. The country is not only open to international talent but is also removing barriers for many roles. Just scroll down to the video description, click the job portals, and start applying today. Let me know in the comments which sector you're interested in, and I'll try to find more specific leads for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video with another exciting opportunity. Take care and good luck.